Hey everyone, great to have you back. Ever heard of a side gig that's flying under the radar but bringing in big bucks? Imagine making at least $1,200 daily just by whipping up and sharing videos made with Canva. Crazy, right? But hold on tight, because I'm about to spill all the details on how you can get in on this game-changing hustle. Segment 1. The opportunity unveiled. The key factor, my acquaintance, resides within the domain of e-commerce and dropshipping. This industry has been experiencing significant growth over recent years, and its momentum is currently skyrocketing. Dropshipping fundamentally entails establishing an online store without the burden of inventory management. Rather, you collaborate with suppliers who manage inventory storage, packaging, and shipping directly to customers. This arrangement allows you to concentrate on marketing and sales devoid of logistical complexities. The attractiveness of dropshipping lies in its accessibility. Individuals equipped with an internet connection and entrepreneurial drive can easily embark on this venture. There's no requirement for a substantial upfront investment in inventory or warehouse rentals. Moreover, platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce simplify the process of establishing an online store. Essentially, dropshipping offers a plug-and-play business model conducive to swift expansion. But here's where the real magic happens. Marketing. The success of a dropshipping venture hinges on your ability to drive traffic to your store and convert visitors into customers. With the right strategies in place, such as social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization, you can attract a steady stream of buyers. And thanks to the power of automation and analytics tools, you can optimize your campaigns in real time to maximize ROI. Certainly, similar to any entrepreneurial pursuit, dropshipping presents its own set of obstacles. It operates in a highly competitive environment, necessitating a proactive approach to differentiate oneself amidst the saturation. Maintaining exceptional customer service is crucial since your brand's reputation relies heavily on delivering a seamless purchasing journey. Additionally, staying attuned to market dynamics and consumer preferences is essential for sustaining relevance in product offerings. Nevertheless, for individuals prepared to invest the necessary effort, the benefits can be significant. Dropshipping offers the potential to establish passive income streams and attain financial independence, making it a sought-after opportunity in today's digital landscape. Segment 2. The winning formula. Developing captivating content for social media platforms, such as TikTok, presents an opportunity for enjoyment and financial gain. A successful approach involves capitalizing on the appeal of trivia material, engaging users' interests in learning and competition. Canva provides a wide array of pre-designed trivia video templates, serving as a valuable foundation for creating visually striking content. Utilizing these templates not only ensures a polished appearance, but also streamlines the design process, saving both time and energy. After obtaining a template, the subsequent task involves crafting engaging trivia questions. Services such as ChatGPT prove invaluable here. Leveraging its extensive database and advanced language processing abilities, ChatGPT excels at promptly producing an array of captivating trivia questions spanning various subjects. Whether delving into history, science, pop culture, or sports, the potential is limitless. By integrating a range of diverse and stimulating questions, content creators can effectively maintain audience interest and foster active participation. Ultimately, TikTok offers an ideal platform for sharing trivia quiz videos. Its extensive user community and focus on concise, visually appealing content create a conducive space for trivia challenges to flourish. Content creators can leverage TikTok's algorithm to broaden their reach and enhance interaction by posting their videos. With increasing views and likes, creators have the opportunity to monetize their content through different channels, such as advertising revenue and affiliate programs. Through consistently delivering entertaining and informative trivia content, creators can transform their interest in trivia into a lucrative endeavor on TikTok. Segment 3. The proof in the pudding. One compelling real-life example of rapid success is the story of Trivia Time HQ, a burgeoning online platform that has taken the digital landscape by storm. Only 4 months into their journey, they have managed to achieve remarkable milestones, including amassing millions of views and generating substantial revenue streams. This meteoric rise is a testament to their innovative approach and unwavering commitment to providing engaging content to their audience. By delivering captivating trivia experiences, they have captured the attention of a vast online community, propelling their growth and establishing themselves as a formidable player in the digital entertainment sphere. What sets Trivia Time HQ apart is their ability to tap into the ever-expanding demand for interactive and entertaining content. In a world saturated with endless options, they have managed to carve out a niche for themselves by offering a unique blend of knowledge and amusement. Their trivia quizzes not only entertain but also educate, appealing to a broad demographic ranging from casual enthusiasts to avid learners. This broad appeal has been instrumental in fueling their rapid ascent, as they continue to attract new viewers and retain existing ones through their compelling content offerings. Moreover, Trivia Time HQ's success underscores the power of adaptability and responsiveness in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Despite being relatively new players in the field, they have demonstrated a remarkable agility in navigating challenges and seizing opportunities as they arise. Whether it's capitalizing on emerging trends or refining their content based on viewer feedback, they have shown a willingness to evolve and innovate, ensuring that they stay ahead of the curve. This dynamic approach has not only fueled their growth, but also solidified their position as a dynamic and forward-thinking brand in the competitive online entertainment market. In summary, the rapid advancement of Trivia Time HQ provides a compelling example of how growth and innovation thrive in today's digital landscape. Their commitment to providing engaging content, connecting with a wide range of audiences, and flexibility in responding to evolving situations have led to impressive accomplishments within a relatively brief time frame. As they progress on their upward path, they offer inspiration to both budding entrepreneurs and content developers, showcasing the endless possibilities for those who approach challenges with originality, perseverance, and inventiveness. Segment 4. Unveiling the monetization secrets. In the ever-evolving landscape of social media monetization, TikTok has emerged as a powerhouse with its innovative ad program, the TikTok Beta. This platform has revolutionized the way creators engage with their audience while simultaneously capitalizing on their content. The allure of TikTok Beta lies in its lucrative ad rates, which have seen a significant surge, offering creators the opportunity to cash in on their creativity like never before. With rates ranging from 50 cents to $1 for every 1,000 views, creators are witnessing substantial financial gains simply by sharing their content with the world. One of the key strategies driving this financial success is strategic affiliate marketing. Creators are harnessing the power of affiliate partnerships to further enhance their revenue streams. By strategically integrating affiliate links into their content, creators can earn commissions on products or services that their audience engages with or purchases. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the creator and the affiliate partner, as creators leverage their influence to drive sales, while affiliates gain exposure to a broader audience through the creator's platform. Furthermore, the user-friendly interface and advanced algorithms of TikTok enable creators to customize their content for specific demographics, thereby enhancing engagement and revenue prospects. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, the platform's algorithm ensures personalized content delivery, enabling creators to precisely target their desired audience. This focused strategy not only improves the viewer experience, but also boosts the chances of converting views into revenue-generating interactions, such as ad clicks or affiliate transactions. TikTok Beta has revolutionized social media monetization, providing creators with unparalleled opportunities to earn from their content. Through attractive ad rates, affiliate marketing strategies, and advanced algorithms, TikTok Beta has reshaped the online environment, creating a synergy between creativity and financial gain. As creators increasingly leverage this platform, the avenues for monetization are limitless, solidifying TikTok's position as a dominant player in social media marketing and revenue generation. Segment 5. Guide developing captivating trivia. Questions is crucial for the success of any quiz project. Utilizing ChatGPT provides you with a robust resource to craft a diverse range of stimulating questions covering numerous subjects. Whether you're exploring history, science, popular culture, or any other area, ChatGPT can aid in generating thought-provoking questions that are both stimulating and enjoyable. By harnessing its extensive knowledge repository and natural language processing skills, you can guarantee that your trivia queries are not only precise, but also captivating for your participants. After preparing a set of trivia questions, the next step is to transform them into captivating quiz videos. Canva offers a user-friendly platform tailored for crafting visually attractive graphics and animations that will captivate your audience's interest. Its intuitive interface and vast collection of templates, graphics, and animations enable you to animate your trivia questions dynamically, making them engaging and interactive. Whether you lean towards sophisticated and contemporary designs or lively and vibrant animations, Canva provides abundant options for personalization to align with your preferences and branding. When you embark on creating your quiz videos using Canva, it's essential to think about the overarching theme and mood you wish to establish. Would you like to create a playful and enjoyable ambience, or do you lean towards a more earnest and informative style? Adapting your design selections to match your intended tone will promote uniformity and clarity across your quiz videos. Moreover, remember to integrate features like music, sound effects, and transitions to enrich the viewing experience and maintain your audience's attention throughout. When ChatGPT and Canva are combined, you gain access to a comprehensive set of tools to craft engaging quiz videos that promise to entertain, educate, and engage your audience. By utilizing ChatGPT's ability to generate trivia questions and leveraging Canva's design functionalities, you can elevate your quiz content and distinguish yourself in the competitive landscape of online entertainment. So, prepare to dive in, tap into your creativity, and impress your viewers with unforgettable trivia quizzes. Outro. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this content valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with taking that first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.